Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Andy. This is my friend Memo. We love to eat yummy foods. Did you know that the foods we eat give our bodies the energy they need to play, learn and grow? Well, if you want to be strong and healthy just like your favorite superhero, then you have to pay attention to what you eat. So today we're going to talk about nutrition for kids. Make sure to watch till the end because we've saved the best for last. Let's get started. Balanced diet is essential when it comes to nutrition. So are many different types of food, but they can be divided into 5 main food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods such as meat, fish, beans and eggs, and dairy products such as milk, cheese and yogurt. Our bodies need all of these foods to stay strong and healthy. The right mix of these foods is called a balanced diet. Kids need a balanced diet to help them grow and develop properly. It also helps them to be active, learn better in school, and have strong bones and muscles. If kids don't get the nutrients their bodies need, they may become sick or have trouble growing. So make sure you eat from all food groups every day to get the nutrients you need. Breakfast matters. Many studies have shown that eating breakfast improves children's concentration and memory. They are also more likely to make healthier food choices throughout the day. Plus, breakfast provides the energy needed to start the day right after waking up in the morning. Children often feel hungry and grumpy if they skip breakfast, but when they eat breakfast, they are much happier and more energized. A healthy breakfast should include a combination of grains, fruits, protein, and dairy. Some examples of healthy breakfasts are oatmeal with fruit and nuts, whole wheat toast with peanut butter and banana, or scrambled eggs with vegetables and cheese. So remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Don't skip it. Fruits then vegetables every day. Fruits and vegetables are an essential part of a healthy diet for kids. They are packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber which help kids grow and stay healthy. I aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and veggies every day. And remember, serving size matters, especially for kids under the age of kedua. Cut fruits and vegetables into small pieces to make them easier to eat. As a general rule, 1 serving of fruit or vegetable is equivalent to 1 cup of raw leafy greens or 1/2 cup of cooked or pureed vegetables or fruit. You can also use visual aids such as measuring cups to help kids understand proper serving sizes. For example, a banana, an apple, a small orange or 1/2 cup of berries count as 1 serving of fruit. 1 serving of vegetables could be 1/2 cup of broccoli, carrots, peas, sweet potato or spinach. And if you think your child isn't getting enough fruits and vegetables, talk to your healthcare provider for advice. Whole grains offer refined grains. Carbohydrates are an essential part of a kid's diet as they provide the body with energy. However, not all carbohydrates are created equal. Refined grains such as white rice, bread and pasta are made from processed flour which has had the bran and germ removed, resulting in a less nutritious product. On the other hand, whole grains such as brown rice, whole wheat bread and oats contain all 3 parts of the grain kernel, providing more fiber, vitamins and minerals. Fiber in particular is an important nutrient for kids as it aids digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight and can lower cholesterol levels. So it's important to choose whole grain products over refined grains whenever possible. For example, instead of white rice, opt for brown rice. Instead of white bread, choose whole wheat bread. And instead of refined pasta, select whole wheat pasta. By making these simple substitutions, you can ensure that your child gets the nutrients they need to stay healthy and energized. Protein for growth. Protein is an essential nutrient for kids as it helps them grow and develop strong muscles and tissues. Good sources of lean protein include chicken, turkey, fish, beans, nuts, and low-fat dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt. On average, kids aged 4 to 8 years old need about 19 grams of protein per day, and those aged 9 to 13 need around 34 grams. It's important to spread protein intake throughout the day to meet these requirements. Some examples of healthy high-protein snacks for kids include hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, cheese sticks, string cheese, peanut butter, and whole grain crackers. These snacks provide not only protein but also other essential nutrients such as calcium and fiber. So make sure your child gets enough protein every day to support their growth and development. Limit sugar than junk food. Sugary drinks, candy and fast food may taste good, but they're not the best choices for kids. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain and